Hello guys, I just got my Juul C1 device, only available in the UK and Canada. I'm going to show you guys how to install the app here on the United States Google Play Store. Today you're going to need two different apps. Fake GPS location, this app right here, and then also a VPN, which I use, Turbo VPN. After we've installed those apps, open up Fake GPS, scroll over to the UK. I've got mine on London right now. Hit the play button. It'll exit out of the app and show you at the top left that it's spoofing its location. After that, open up Turbo VPN. It'll show some ads or some kind of ads. Choose the country you'd like to use the VPN at. There's free ones. If you hit free, go to United Kingdom and it'll connect to the United Kingdom VPN. Takes 15 seconds or so here. Okay, gotta retry, I guess. Haven't ran into that issue. Okay, we connected. It'll show like an advertisement once you are connected. It shows that we are connected. And at the top left, it'll show its little icon. It's like a bunny. I'm sorry, it's not focusing in. Well, once we have ran both of these apps, we are on a VPN in the UK and we are spoofing this device's location. We will go down into the settings tab. We will go down to storage. Maybe not storage, it's apps. So it was apps and notifications, app info, scroll down to find the Google Play Store. Now we are going to scroll down. There will be several different options down here. We're going to hit storage and we're going to hit clear cache and clear data. Okay. Now, make sure that you didn't have that app open, Google Play Store. If you did, just close out of it by swiping out of the multitasking. Now open the Google Play Store. It's going to take a little bit because it's finally realizing, or we're kind of tricking it to realize that we're in the UK and it's in the UK's App Store. No thanks, no thanks. Now, just to prove that we're in the United States, UK's App Store, we're going to go to account. Oops, sorry. Look at switch to United Kingdom Play Store. We are on it. Now, just simply need to search the Juul, and the app will be right up there right away. Now it is available to be installed, and if you are on the American Google Play Store, it'll say it is not available whatsoever. We will hit install, and it is now being downloaded. Not sure what's going on here. Maybe some updates with the app, because I see it's re-downloading it. There we go. We are installing the app and it is now there. We will now have a Juul app. Open up the Juul app. And for people that have installed it and haven't like spoofed the location or are using a VPN, it'll not open the app whatsoever. So you can see the app is working and we are accepting the terms of service to use the app right now. And as you can see, we are inside of the app now. It's kind of giving you a tutorial of how to use the Juul and, you know, kind of the new features that it does feature. Now this comes with a usage monitor. You are able to track this daily, weekly, and monthly usage of how much you use your Juul device. You are able to also find your Juul, which will ping a sound, and I will have a later video showing what that sound is like and how to use the app. We're gonna hit next here after we have seen all the tutorial. Now it's gonna ask you to sign into your Juul account, and you are able to sign into your United States account. It does not matter. Now, I have registered my device, and I was actually forced to change my address to United Kingdom address. Now, I'm not sure exactly what that's going to do. All I know is all of my devices are now forced to being shipped to that device or address that I gave of the United Kingdom. So whenever I do want another device, it's going to be shipped to that address that I used in the United Kingdom. And it's one of my friends' addresses that I met out there when I visited them last October. So I would just have to have them ship the device to me once it does come to their house. And that's the only downside of having to kind of register your Juul C1 device if you're in the United States. But other than that, you'll hit pair Juul C1. It makes it insert a Juul pod. I'll have a future video showing you how to pair the connection and all of that, and how to use the usage app and the locator as well. Thank you guys. Now this is how to install the Juul app in the United States, Google Play Store. This is September 16th, 2019. Thank you. One last thing I did forget to mention was you are able to disable your VPN and GPS location. So right now I have it disabled, just like my phone was back to normal. And you are still able to open the Juul app and it'll still function. So you can revert back to that and you don't have to spoof your device's location back to the UK anymore. And you can use your device just like how it was before.